Today, we're going to talk about what you should do after you submit your application in 2026. This video is for educational purposes only. The goal is to explain the process in a simple and clear way. After submission, many people think their job is finished. In reality, what you do next can affect how smoothly your case moves forward. Being active and organized after submission can help prevent unnecessary delays. The first important step after submission is to keep proof of everything. Save confirmation pages, reference numbers, and copies of all documents you submitted. These records help you track your case and respond quickly if there are questions later. The second step is to monitor your case status regularly. In 2026, most systems allow you to check progress online. Make it a habit to check your status at least once or twice a week. This helps you notice updates early and act quickly if something changes. The third step is to check your messages carefully. Most communication is now digital. If you receive a request for more information, do not delay your response. Quick replies keep your case moving forward and reduce waiting time. The fourth step is to prepare for possible follow-up requests. Sometimes additional documents or clarification may be needed. Prepare common documents in advance so you can respond quickly if asked. Being ready saves time and reduces stress. The fifth step is to avoid making unnecessary changes. Do not change your information unless it is required or truly necessary. Frequent changes can confuse the system and may slow down processing. If you must update something, make sure all related information is updated correctly. The sixth step is to keep your contact details active and accurate. Make sure your email and phone number remain accessible. If your contact details change, update them immediately. Missing a message can pause your case for weeks. The seventh step is to stay patient and avoid rumors. Processing takes time, even in 2026 with faster digital systems. Do not believe claims of guaranteed fast approvals. Always rely on official updates and verified information. Now let us talk about mindset after submission. Waiting can be stressful, but staying organized gives you control. Create a simple tracking system for your case so you know what stage you are in. This reduces anxiety and helps you respond quickly when needed. Another important point is not to ignore official notices. Even small requests should be taken seriously. Ignoring a notice can cause long delays or negative outcomes. Let us summarize. After you submit your application in 2026, keep records, monitor your status, check messages, prepare documents, avoid unnecessary changes, keep contact details updated, and stay patient. These simple habits can make the waiting period smoother and reduce avoidable delays. This video is for educational purposes only. Rules and systems change over time, and every case is different. Always rely on official updates and verified guidance. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, stay connected.